You know, they say that the journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. At Harvard, it's a big step forward. Every student that comes here with purpose. They come because there's something that they want to accomplish, and they want the tools and the network and the credentials to do it. And we get to be part of that journey. This is an immersive real estate investment experience. Students come to campus so they can go into the market. We start in the classroom, but the real learning takes place outside the classroom. Working in teams, students will be visiting real estate investment properties. They'll be applying the tools of financial analysis and market research that we study in a real-world setting. Active Learning Weekends give a very special opportunity to have a unique, immersive experience. The discussions that we have, the questions that students ask, the insights that they share are all amplified by being together throughout the entire weekend. The students will be looking at over $1 billion worth of real estate, and they're going to be out there evaluating that, debating those properties, and applying the tools of financial analysis that they learn in our class. We want to make sure that when the students leave this Active Learning Weekend, they are connected to this incredible university, because Harvard has an incredible history, and we want all of our students to be part of that history. The goal is to put students in situations of the real world where they have to make decisions. We do that by having students experience Harvard Business School case studies where they walk through real life situations and discussion, debate what the correct way to look at a real estate investment. We then of course have them work on the real estate investment simulation where they bring that experience and really create it for themselves. They go out, they look at real estate investment properties, and they perform the kind of analysis that you do every day in real life if you're investing in real estate. We have an unbelievable diversity of students that come to our class. We have some students who are coming to our class that are looking to make a career change. We've also had students that work in a real estate investment context currently, but they want to level up. That combination allows for incredibly dynamic conversations and a lot of learning. And those moments where the students really understand the fundamentals that we're teaching, and we can tell we've changed their lives, that for me, that's a special time, and those are the moments that I live for, and I certainly really enjoy it.